Walaitain rutsul outside heals your liver wadi sleep. Majin his. While the work outside quiets down, your body rests. One organ keeps working tirelessly, your liver. It filters, it detoxifies, it presents. But what if, instead of just hoping it does its job, you could actually support it, gently, naturally, and effortlessly every single night? Not with expensive supplements, not with complicated detox routines, but with a single cup of tea. Sounds simple, right? That's the point. But here's the truth. Many so-called detox drinks out there actually burden the liver more than they help. Hidden sugars, poorly combined herbs, or just hype. So tonight, I'm to share with the real thing. A humble yet powerful 3-ingredient infusion can make less than 5 minutes that support your liver while you sleep. Plus, wine than a steak that ruins its effect, and most people making. Let's begin the story. A 58-year-old woman, constantly tired. She wakes up feeling heavy, like sleep doesn't restore her. She struggles with brain fog, poor digestion, and restless nights. Then she starts drinking chamomile tea before bed, not for her liver, just to sleep better. 3 weeks later, something shifts. She leaves up refreshed, her thoughts are clearer, the weight in her body, gone. Why? Because chamomile doesn't just relax your mind, it speaks directly to your liver. Its natural anti-inflammatory oils calm the internal swelling that slows liver function. And more than that, it helps guard the liver from bacteria overload during the night, something few people know even happens. Yes, gut bacteria can migrate to liver while you sleep, even silent chaos. Chamomile helps keep that at bay. Here's the secret. You don't need fancy powders or high doses. 1 quality chamomile tea bag, made from whole flowers, not the crushed dust in cheap brands, is enough. The oils and us petals are your allies. They're like your nerve system, and lower cortisol refresh on the block so is blade to regenerate at night. Less tension is more healing, but the real magic begins when you combine it with lawn. The crushed lemons no or hate fruit. It's a bianzic bark brand. When it's grease off land to water, something incredible happens. You unlock a natural cleaning crew, flavonoids that neutralize pathogens, reduce liver workload, and awaken another forgotten system, your lymphatic flow. Think of your lymphatic system as your body's underground drainage network. The lemon, it's the plumber that unclouds the pipes. And the citric acid, it doesn't just clean, it dissolves tiny buildups in organs like the liver, kidneys, and gallbladder, the ones that decon stones or blockages if ignored. So every night, when you add that splash of lemon to your chamomile, you're not just sipping tea, you're giving your body space to heal. On the best part, you feel it in your breath, your skin, your breath, in that gentle sense of lightness that tells you, I'm finally being cared for. This is just the beginning. There's still one more ingredient that takes the infusion from Carmen to transformation. Let me show you the next part. The liver's silent defender. How lemon and ginger create a nighttime healing symphony. What's up with lemon? Not just as a simple fruit, as a cleanser, stimulator, a healer. But the story didn't stop there. Lemon has a secret superpower. It kickstarts your digestion and way directly supports your liver. How? And conjures peristalsis, the ring muiming pihi swilling tastim. Why the mitre? Because when your gut flows freely, toxins don't get reabsorbed into your bloodstream. And when those toxins stay out, your liver doesn't have to work overtime to clean up the mess. It's a beautiful chain reaction of cleansing. And here's something few people realize. Lemon helps your body produce glutathione, the master antioxidant. This little molecule is glutathione the liver detox. Without enough of it, your liver becomes like a clogged air filter, still running, but struggling. The key, however, is freshness. Store-bought lemon juice. It's lost most of its living enzymes. You need freshly squeezed juice, ideally for organic lemon, since Vishnu once carry pesticide residues, which is high more work for your liver. Now here's a tiny but powerful egg. A pinch, just a pinch of cayenne pepper. Lye, a boost of glacier notes lemons at the gourmand's job with thirst to where they're need. Thor small. A meal 1/8 of a teaspoon can be enough to ignite the flow. At this point you might ask, if lemon's this powerful, just drink other fruit juices too. That's where the real trap lies, because while lemon cleanses, fruit juices deceive, a taste fresh, they feel healthy. A label showed vitamins and nutrienti. A benefit not the true and with liver of fructose. Let's breathe this down. Words, friend, 2 grams assured powder fiber with those option. 1 glass of orange juice, that fortified oranges worth of sure stuto fiber. That's about 60 grams of dose here with a wave. And you lear, it has no choice. It converts that fructose directly into fat. That cold his. That fat doesn't go to your thighs or arms. It stays in the liver, setting a stage for inflammation, insulin resistance, and eventually fatty liver disease. Now contrast that with lemon. 30 kinds less sure. No insulin spike, no fat buildup. Just a gentle flush of citric acid, vitamin C and flavonoids, helping your liver breathe easy. When you listen this, your nighttime and food becomes more than just a tea. It becomes a quatches to sin, to avoid hars, to embrace what heals. And now, it's time to reveal the final ingredient, the one that acts like a bodyguard for your liver, ginger. This root doesn't just add warmth or flavor, it carries gingerols, natural compounds with fierce protective energy. Imagine them as tiny soldiers forming a protective shield around your liver cells. Every sip sends reinforcements. Every night, they stand guard. These gingerols neutralize the oxidative stress that wears down your liver day after day, and they do it gently, together disrupting your system. Don't curse they toxiacians. Together, lemon and ginger don't cleanse you with advice. They support your body's wisdom, giving what it needs to do what it was always built to do. And tomorrow, we'll explore how to bring these ingredients together and the perfect nighttime infusion to wake up lighter, clearer, and more alive. Ginger, the nighttime alchemist that transforms your liver from within. Here where it gets truly fascinating. Because ginger doesn't just shield your liver, it repairs it. If your liver's been worn down by years of poor diet, chronic stress or silent inflammation, the gingerols in fresh ginger quietly go to work at night, triggering cellular regeneration. Think of it as flipping a switch in your body's repair shop. Damaged cells begin to renew, healthy ones grow stronger. But that's just a beginning. There's one fit to ginger that almost no one talks about, its ability to melt away liver fat. Clinical studies show that ginger can reduce fat buildup in the liver by up to 25% in just 12 weeks. Regardless of whether the fat came from alcohol or the healthy fruit juices of verdict boast. How? It all comes down to a little enzyme called AMBK. It's AMBA, the cavator of a bite metavites effect. When ginger tight, your liver fights away fat and starts burning. That's a profound shift, not just the temporary effect for the deep molecular change. And there's more. Ginger enhances insulin sensitivity in your liver cells, the opposite of what sugary juices do. When insulin works better, your body manages sugar more gracefully, storing less fat and avoiding the energy crashes that wear you down. And that's not all ginger downs, it was a thermojack. Gently raises your body temperature. No jitters, no overstimulation, just a soft internal warmth that fuels detox while you sleep. Because yes, detoxification takes energy, and ginger delivers it naturally, like a silent fire in the heart of your body. There's also something truly intelligent about ginger's action. It doesn't just shut down information, it modulates it. Too much, it calms it down. Too little, when repair is needed, it lets the process unfold. Nature's wisdom encoded in a humble root. Is another hidden gift. May people rely on painkillers like ibuprofen. Office here. Ardenus East and War Counted Oil. East and Wisa. Arthur Isa. Insanity. Flashy. Fresh powdered juice. Hearty. One teaspoon fresh ginger a nighttime infuse is enough to unlock its full benefit. If you're using powder, half a teaspoon will do. Pro tip, they do ginger, then let it sit for 5 minutes before adding it to hot water. Water, that wait time allows enzymes to activate, producing more beneficial compounds. It's more, a big difference. There's more. Ginger boosts blood flow to the liver, så nu treats I fifte and tuck his it with leather sitvens. The tree or lear the bustling fat dingy. It did hover topting God it what to move freely, everything wants water. But perhaps danger's most powerful gift is its impact on blood sugar. After meals, ginger can lower glucose spikes back to 35%. These spikes are exhausting feel every hand your blood sugar thaws and crashes live works all time, thorin leafing reggatings. It's a dangerous balancing act, dangerous most to ride, kif levels diddy, and gives you a space to focus on healing. On here's something that surprised me, on the liver works better, when your sugar is stable, your cravings disappear, less sugar, less burden. More feeding. It's a virtuous cycle, one that begins with just one small slice of ginger, a decision to care for the body that carries you every day. Most people think that using natural ingredients is enough to support liver. Here's the hidden truth. It's not just what you're yours, it's how you prepare it. Thus, even the best intentions, a small mistake in the process can cancel out all the healing power of your infusion. Mistake number 1. The temperature trap. Boiling water might seem ideal for tea. If you pour it straight over chamomile, you're not helping the liver, you stripping away the bay oils that make chamomile so healing. Those delicate compounds, they vanish in steam and the temperature passes 80 degrees Celsius. What's left in your cup isn't medicine, it's flavored water. A lemon, its vitamin C's more fragile, by 90 degrees Celsius, alpha is gone, and Reese's practically erased. The citrus flavonoids, gone too, leaving your body to have the support was puffed. Ginger may be tougher, its gone heat alters its fee copern. Gentle deterred sugared, serve for a lot of while the waters, supporting insulin sensitivity and liver regeneration. Mistake number 2. Tossing it all in at once. Sounds simple, right? Ginger, lemon, chamomile, 1 cup, 1 pour, but that acidity from lemon reacts with chamomile oils, reducing their absorption. And the lemon's own nutrients suffer from that same plash, a simple shortcut that cancels out everything good. Mistake number 3, sweetening it. The way most people fool ginger is spicy, lemon is tart, and so they reach for a natural sweetness, honey, agave, coconut sugar. But sugar is sugar, even honey. Pray through its chase minerals are still 80% pure sure. Fructose and glucose, exactly what lose knee night. Is I arfing ever to clean horse, while dumping not party durfy issues on the floor. Artificial sweetener bother, aspartame, sucru, see here strut. You'll hear church the like for invaders, and every molecule to Mars extra to be broken down. Instead of healing, you're just giving your liver more shifts to cover. So what's the right way? Let's go step by step. Start by gently heating water just until tiny bubbles begin to form at bottom. At 10 degrees Celsius. Illy him to watch a thaw Weber na to boil. You're agree to just bring first ginger, lay refer more plate for 5 minutes. This activates its enzymes, giving you the full spectrum of benefits. In the cup, add a teaspoon of loose chamomile flowers or cut open a high-quality tea bag for better infusion. Add the rest of ginger to the same cup. Now pour the walnut boiling water of above, filling about quarters of the cup. Cover the small plate, if, really. This prevents the pushes all from evaporating. They rise with the steam, hit the lid and fall back into the brew. While steeps for 10 minutes, cut to room temperature enough. Roll it in the canter first to break the inner membranes, they help out more juice. Once the steeping's done, the liquid is warm not hot, add the juice of farfalan. Watch the car shift slightly. That taint ends the car banter interact in overdo thine of roof grew lie. Now sip, though. Let it linger in your mouth for a few seconds before following. Your tongue sends signals to liver. There is more than taste. It's preparation. Repeat this nightly. The traumatic is in ingredients low, but consistency. When your liver gets the rich oil, those dose pet support and repairs more efficiently. But one low thermometer, with course natural, vital wings harder for a living. If you're allergic to radweed, daisies, or chrysanthemums, chamomile might trigger a reaction. If you're on bad things, both chamomile and ginger can intensify the effect. Rain, bruising, bleeding. If you're diabetic retain matun, ginger aloe blood sugar wothingsbedi. If you're a gwrstans, dinges bryce zimilane back and stir things out. Canefully. Evil len, the gentle side of milk and road tooth and aloe time. So rinse your mouth with play water after each cup. This drink is powerful, but it's not a miracle. It's not a replacement for medical care, it's a tool. A gentle helper, a nightly whisper to liver, I've got your back. These small steps, repeated with care, can shift your health from the inside out. One cup, one choice, one night at a time. Thank for watching.